Okay, we've had ourselves a good downpour of rain, and looking at the plants, they're doing pretty good. Potatoes doing good. As you can see, they're starting to uncover, and the leaves are trying to die back. Once they completely die down, that's when, as you can see these here, as they completely die down, there's no greenage at all. My understanding, that's the right time to harvest the potatoes. Asparagus is doing good. Sunflower is doing good. Bell pepper is doing good. Another sunflower is beautiful. Like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And up top, 6. And sunflower. On the bottom, right here, asparagus. And scanning over, it's another sunflower. Like it had daggone fire ants on the inside, raising havoc. I pulled it from underneath here, where we got the kiwi and we got the fig. And believe it or not, I see my first fig. You see it? First fig. It looks like I got a couple more coming up. I will have some fresh figs from the garden. Look like this over here. Like this sunflower here is just one bloom. As you can see at the top, it's ready to come out. My understanding is supposed to face the sun, which dubbed the callers sunflower. Here's another one. Like I got a colony of sickening ants here. I'll just spray neem on them. Put a halt to their havoc. They've probably never seen no plants like this before, since they're from Brazil. I have some sunflowers over here that came out since the rain. These over here. That's a new type sunflower right there, but it's coming up. Here's another one down there. They're beautiful. I guess the type of color draws bees and other insects so they can pollinate. Now this here came out and bloomed, but then I think they're dying at this time. I don't know what stunted their growth, but they came up and tried to come out, but they just stopped. So I'm glad of the harvest I have here. I have the potatoes coming out. May get the carrot and sunflowers that have some natural sunflower seeds. Then the bell peppers, and them come out with the bell peppers. And these are supposed to be sweet peppers here. I guess they're working their way eventually. I started them on the inside. If you see in my other videos, like with this container. But these celery, this celery is awesome. I've cut it, as you can see down here. I've cut it, and it just grew right back up. It's amazing. Well, until next time. Also, I moved the bird feeders over here on top of the compost bin because I have to do some work on the pole. The pole was leaning too much, so after I do the work on the pole, I'll stick it back and put it back in the middle of the garden so the birds can feel free to come and eat as they will or want. It's an interesting thing. I've had the visitors of about 3 or 4 different birds, which is good. And they know that I have fresh bird seed or fresh seed for them. Everything's calmed down now. Well, I'll be back to let you see the figs. I know I got the kiwi vine going. It's been going up and down the sunflower branches. And wait till they give me some kiwi. Okay, I'll be back and show you some more. Them figs I know are gonna be delicious because I am the one that helped innovate or create or develop the dirt from worm castings. Then put it in the pot, got the seed, and all this you see now is from seed. The Creator is awesome. The Creator is awesome. And it's a shame we say we're hungry and starving and can't eat or need something to eat. Just get a pot and grow something. Well, more life to all, less life to none. Amen.